This is a room tour at the Rio Las Vegas, room 864. This is a king standard room. It's one of the new renovated rooms. And when you walk in, you come into your bathroom area. I really do like this vanity area. Why are the lights flickering? Oh, there must be a ghost here. I don't know. But I do think they should put a bench here. I think that would make it even more nice for getting ready. But over here you do have your hair dryer. There are drawers. There is a vanity mirror. You have some lotion, and in here are some cotton swabs. That's all. That's all you get. And then you come into your restroom area, which has another sink. So it's really good if you have multiple people staying here. Like someone could be taking a shower and someone could get ready right here. That's nice. Or, you know, whatever you need. Everything is redone. It's very nice. You have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I really do like this, that you can reach in and turn on the water and not get wet. And I still think they need to put some sort of thing so it doesn't splash out, but at least this glass goes farther out than some of the other hotels, so that's good. Your closet is right here, ironing board, iron, luggage rack, and the safe is right there. And then you come into your living room area. Now I did stay here a few months ago, and I had a 2-queen room, and I think that room was bigger. I just feel like it was bigger, but I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. But you have your couch area, and of course your Fred Flintstone steak tables. Those are lovely. Big screen TV. There's also a mirror right here. This is my view. I am here on Labor Day weekend, and this was a comp for me, so I am very happy that I had a comped room. Not the best view, not the worst, so it's fine. I wish I was overlooking the pool. You do have a nice credenza area, your phone, ice bucket. This is really nice. There is a fridge, and I am imagining this will eventually be the mini bar. It's not yet, but this is nice and cold. I will be putting drinks in there. These are storage drawers under here. Of course, nightstands and plenty of plugs to plug in your phone or any electronic devices. Very nice king size bed, very comfortable. Another table for if you need to eat, and the air conditioning does go down to 62 degrees. I like that. I just wish, this is my wish, if you're making your air conditioning vent over here, put the bed over there. Doesn't that make more sense? So it would blow towards you? Or put the air conditioning vent in another spot. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. But this was a room tour at Rio Las Vegas. If you like this, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.